What is internet? What is internet? Everyone is familiar. So yes, tell me what is internet? Abhinav 3-1 on your camera. Internet क्या होता है? As this is the last chapter, so make this chapter something which is very much interesting. Okay. So why would you end the syllabus with the boring, right? So we take initiative, participate in the class, respond. Okay. Yes. What is internet? Is the question. Akshat 2810. Internet. Tanvi 2136. In normal terms, what do you call an internet? क्या होता है?
Ma'am, with the help of internet, we can search anything. We can make files, वगैरह, and we can do interesting things. We can entertain ourselves. We can make files. We can make online. We can also and online classes.
Yeah, very good. So it is a use. Is the screen visible, everyone? Screen is shared.
Yes.
Okay. So it is, what is internet first? We know everything around revolving us is based on internet in today's era. It is useful when we want to find out information about different types of topics. Where it is information stored in the web service, okay, web pages, right? And कौन use करता है internet today's era? Even a child uses internet, okay, but mostly used by companies in order to provide services to the internet users, okay. And what type of online services are there? So those services will go study in this chapter number 7, internet business applications. मतलब इंटरनेट का यूज कहाँ कहाँ किया जाता है, for what purpose? Interesting topic. Got it? So what all services are there? Online services, everyone is familiar. Services which are provided by internet, basically. Different types are there: entertainment, communication, real-time information, commerce, government, download services, education, virtual learning environment, business, and much more are there. Right? So we'll discuss all of them. What are these one by one? Before that, let us see what is there. Concept of online services. What is there in this chapter? Yes, Subham, start reading. All those who don't have the book, I'm sharing a screen. Focus here. Page number 4.
Yes, ma'am. Concept of online services. An online services refer to any information and services provided over the internet. These services not only allow subscribers to communicate with each other, but they also provide unlimited access to information. Online services can range from simple to complex. A basic online services may help subscribers gain needed data through a search engine, while a complex one might be an online mortgage application from a bank. Online services may be free or paid.
Okay, stop.
Online services are
Concept of online services. Now, why we are studying these online services? What are these services called as? Okay. So, online service refers to an information and services provided over the internet. What are these services? They are any kind of information, koi bhi information which a user requires. Okay, that information is available there, and the services provided over the internet. These services not only allow subscribers to communicate with each other, right? With internet, we cannot only communicate, but also can access unlimited information. Okay, every query's answer is there on internet. Example, whatever you browse, search in a browser, for example, you are using a Google search engine. अगर आप Google search engine का use कर रहे हो for browsing, whatever you type there, you will get something out of it. Okay, no matter is that correct, is that wrong, is that making some sense, but you will get some information. I don't say you get a complete sentence or you get a complete answer out of it, but you get some information. कुछ तो मिलता है आपको, right? When you browse over internet. So along with what communication. One is it is providing the communication between two people. Okay, you and the information. Got it? But another thing is you are getting unlimited access to information. Whatever thing you want to search, you can search with the use of these online services which are provided by the internet. Online services can range from simple to complex, may help subscribers gain needed data through a search engine, right? Search engines, we have studied what kind of search engines are there. What kind of search engines, Mayank? Mayank, again, your camera is just hanging in the wall around somewhere. Place your camera properly. Tell me what kind of search engines are we using? बताओ शाबाश, कौन सा सर्च इंजन यहाँ पे पढ़ रहे हैं? 3318 मयंक. Vikas 76. What is a search engine? As the name suggests, you should be able to answer. Search engine क्या होता है?
जैसे मैम जैसे मैम हम कोई भी चीज सर्च करें, जैसे गूगल हो गया, वो सर्च इंजन है.
Okay, very good. So what is, wherever you search, right? जो आप चीज सर्च कर रहे हो, that is searching, that is browsing. और कहाँ पे आप सर्च करते हो? Where do you do browsing? Using browsers. What are browsers? They are the search engines. Example Google Chrome, example Yahoo, example Bing, Mozilla Firefox. Multiple number of search engines are available in today's era, right? So while a complex one might be online mortgage application from a bank, online service may be free or paid, right? Sometimes they are free, sometimes they are paid. It depends on the usage. Online services, next, who will read? Ankit 3174, read. Online services, page number 404. Ankit 3174, start reading. Am I audible to everyone? Kangana 2797, पढ़ो. टू 2797 पढ़िए.
मैम बुक में नहीं है ये चैप्टर.
I don't want a foolish answer. If there is no book, there is a screen which is shared to you, and a page is there which is displaying the topic. Is the screen visible to everyone? So start reading.
Visible, but मैम हमें सिर्फ मैम वो फाइल मैनेजर नजर आ रहा है, स्क्रीन में चैप्टर नजर.
So you should say, right? Again, I need to ask one by one to everyone. Is it visible now?
No मैम.
Wait. Now?
Yes मैम.
Kangana, is it visible? Read from the second paragraph. Online services.
Online services are services such as applications for government benefits, customer orders for products, and class registration provided electronically, often over the internet. To access online services, users log on to an interface, set up a profile. If they do not already have one, then request the necessary services. Such systems can be more efficient and easier to use than conventional methods for connecting people with services, such as requiring people to come into an office or file paperwork through mail or fax. Both the public and private sectors rely heavily on online services.
Okay, stop. So what is it? Online services are such as applications for government benefit. Online services क्यों बनाई जाती हैं, right? So that people can get benefit out of it, right? Their work get much more easier. For government benefit, Customer orders for product class registration provided by electronically, often over the internet. जो गवर्नमेंट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल रेलवेज में जो टिकट बुकिंग होती है, ऑनलाइन रिजर्वेशन आता है, राइट. टू असेस ऑनलाइन सर्विसेज यूजर्स लॉग ऑन. कैसे वो सर्विसेज को असेस कर सकते हैं? Users log on to an interface such as a profile. If they do not already have one, then request the necessary services. अगर उनकी प्रोफाइल ऑलरेडी है, अगर राइट फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू आर असेसिंग अ फेसबुक, पहले से प्रोफाइल बना रखी है, यू जस्ट लॉग इन विद योर यूजर नेम एंड पासवर्ड. इफ नॉट, you'll create a new one. So there are many such services. Such systems can be more efficient and easier to use than conventional method for connecting people with services, such as requiring people to come into office or file paperwork through mail or fax. So to avoid papers, okay, papers ka kam hona. So, these online services, they reduced the use of paper. Paper bach gaya, paperwork finished almost. Why? Email system was preferred. Okay, employees can sit at their homes and they can easily work. They can easily communicate with their office colleagues through mail system. Online services which are preferred specifically. Both the public and private sectors rely heavily on the online services. So not only the government sector, but private, all in today's era, each and every person is using these online services. Okay. So next, Akshay, 1630, padhiye.
Yes, ma'am. One aspect of the online service is electronic commerce. Companies can create an interface online to allow customer to order product and services at any time, submitting a convenient payment method. Thus, the same interface also can provide customer service function if a customer need to return or exchange a product, dispute a charge, or work out a problem with the order. He or she can log on to do so. A company representative can evaluate the information that the customer submit and decide how to proceed if the transaction cannot be handled automatically.
Okay, so colleagues in universities use online services for their students, cut down on paperwork. So colleges may and offices may, why they are making use of online services? To reduce the paperwork simply. Okay, paperwork को कम करने के लिए, right? Then students might be able to register for our classes online. In addition, taking care of other business matters through our student portal. So उनका एक portal बना दिया गया होता है. For example, you have your own portal in this school. Everyone has his or her own portal, right? You have your login IDs. You can use those IDs. You can view your each and every detail. Got it? So you can use the online services which is provided by your school. Got it? So you have the services available. Then the colleagues or the office workers, they can check their financial aid, sign up for counseling, request tutorial assistance, and perform any other task. School faculty and staff can also avail these online services. You can check your regular attendance, right? Similarly, the staff can also check. Then you can check your notes, you can check your timetable, whatever is there in the portal which is provided to you. Portals can also provide services to students, faculty, and staff. So anyone can tell me which portal is provided by you. Himalayan Public School provides you one portal. What is the name of that portal? Where you can view your activities, where you can view your services sites such as attendance, such as marks, other things. Staff can also avail the facility. Anyone is familiar with the portal? पता है किसी को? Tell me what is the name of the portal? ERP. What is the name? ERP. Okay. So you should log in and check your details over there. ERP is the portal. Then government, see, I'll show you the page of that portal. Can you see here? This is the page. This is the it's not screen is not shared, or let me check. Now it is visible.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So what is this portal name? ERP. क्या बोलते हैं?
ERP people.
So you can also access, right? You have your own login details, login username and password, right? So this is staff IDs, teacher IDs are there, admin IDs are there, student IDs are there, where you can avail all these facilities which are provided. Got it? Here you have helpful links also, where you can view the videos, whatever videos are there, which are all classes videos you'll get here. You just click here and the video will be played. Got it? So these are called the portals. Similarly, you have different kind of portals available for online, for availing the online services. Then it also can increase efficiency and allows government employees to focus on more complex tasks that require their personal attention. So these are the government employees uses how online services. Online service provider describes any company, organization or a group that provides an online service. So online service provider हम किसको बोलेंगे? It can be an organization, it can be a company, it can be a group जो हमें वो facility provide कर रहा है. For example, you come to your school, you use the school internet, right? You use the internet in your labs, you use the internet, right? So कौन दे रहा है आपको वो facility internet की? Who is providing you that internet in the school?
Ma'am, school.
Right, school itself. So for you, who is the internet online service provider? The school. Got it? For example, you're working in a company and you're using the internet of that company. So who is the online service provider for you in that company? Internet आपको कौन provide कर रहा है? Company. Okay. So online service provider आपके लिए कौन होगा? Company होगी. Similarly, it can be an organization or it can be a group which provides you that online facility. So these types of services may include websites, discussion forums, chat rooms, or web mails. So it depends on different kinds of organizations. School अपने according आपको internet facility allow करेगा. Organization will allow you for some their own purpose, right? And if it, accordingly, there are many different service providers. Got it? An online service provider may be a local. So now we'll study what are they. Akshat, read कीजिए बेटा. Page number 405.
Yes, ma'am. These types of services may include websites, discussion forums, chat rooms, or web mails. An online service provider may be a local, international, or global company who specializes in online services or allow you to connect to online services through their network. The various online services are online
Oh,
services,
okay, stop.
communication.
So these types of services may include web discussion sites, discussion forums, chat rooms, web mails. So multiple number of services are there which are provided by different organizations, different company, different groups of people. Then an online service provider may be a local हो सकता है, which operates in a local area. It can be international, used worldwide. Then global company specializes in online services or allows you to connect to online services through their network. अपना एक network होता है, local area का अपना network होता है, that is called as LAN, local area network. Have you studied classification of networks? LAN,
Yes, ma'am.
WAN, WAN, PAN, local area network, personal area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network, right? तो वो अलाउ किया गया होता है, मतलब डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया गया होता है कि लोकल एरिया में ये वाला नेट ही यूज किया जाएगा. लोकल एरिया, फॉर एग्जांपल, when you assess, you go, most of you have visited the bus stands, right? By the government or somewhere, few places, internet Wi-Fi, free Wi-Fi facilities are provided, isn't it? So क्या होता है, आप लोग क्या करते हो, when you go there, आप उसका assess करते हो, If you have the password or username, you can access the facility, but that facility is available only to a restricted area. Local area network can cover only 5 kilometer area, right? अगर आप उस लिमिट किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस से बाहर जाते हो, what will happen? You won't be able to access that Wi-Fi facility. होता है ना ऐसा? So means असेस किया गया होता है, लोकल एरिया का नेटवर्क लोकल में ही यूज किया जाएगा, राइट? इंटरनेशनल अकॉर्डिंगली इंटरनेशनल, राइट? सो दैट इज व्हाई दे हैव टोल्ड ग्लोबल कंपनी, इंटरनेशनल और लोकल. सो ऑनलाइन सर्विस प्रोवाइडर में भी लोकल हो सकता है, जो अपनी फैसिलिटी सिर्फ लोकल पीपल के लिए रखता है, राइट? फॉर सम लोकल एरिया ओनली. देन इंटरनेशनल है ग्लोबल कंपनी. नाउ विल स्टडी व्हाट ऑल सर्विसेज आर देयर. फर्स्ट इज द कम्युनिकेशन. कम्युनिकेशन क्या होता है? कंगना पढ़िए 2797. व्हाट इज communication? How you can make use of communication services online?
Communication. Examples: email, instant messaging, message boards, online conferencing, blogs, microblogging. For example, Twitter, Facebook, news groups, chat, e-communities, social networking.
Okay, stop. So now here first we'll study what is it communication they have told. So look here everyone, communication, you can see this service gives people the opportunity to talk to other people somewhere else. Communication, you know, a simple English word. Communication is possible only, is communication possible within a single cell? क्या आप अपने आप से communication कर सकते हो? No, right? It needs the other media. It needs someone. The other sources should be there. Got it? There should be two people there, who are there to communicate with each other. Got it? Two medias should be there. You and a computer is there. You're communicating with the computer. Right? So there should be a media through which the communication is possible. So services give, this service gives people opportunity to talk to other people somewhere else. Example, अब ऑनलाइन सर्विसेज की हम बात कर रहे हैं, यू कैन नॉट गिव एग्जांपल ऑफ अ पर्सन स्टैंडिंग नेक्स्ट टू यू. फिजिकल अपीयरेंस ऑफ अ पर्सन इज नॉट अ ऑनलाइन सर्विसेज कम्युनिकेशन एग्जांपल. सो ऑनलाइन सर्विस में आप कम्युनिकेशन का कैसे यूज कर रहे हो? एज एन एग्जांपल, वेयर एग्जांपल वीडियो कॉलिंग, स्काइप, फेसबुक, राइट? जस्ट जहां पे आप यू कैन कम्युनिकेट विद वन अनदर using electronic service, using internet. Okay, फेसबुक आप तभी चला सकते हो अगर इंटरनेट होगा, राइट? वीडियो कॉलिंग आप तभी कर सकते हो अगर इंटरनेट होगा, राइट? सो दिस इज एग्जांपल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. ईमेल हो गया, मैसेजिंग हो गया, मैसेज बोर्ड्स, ऑनलाइन कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग, ब्लॉग्स, ट्विटर, then chats, e-communities and social networking. All these are the examples of communication. Then second is real-time information. What is real-time information examples? Harshit 3150, कैमरा ऑन कीजिए, पढ़िए. हर्षित, on a camera quick. Read the examples. Real-time information. What are these? Akshita 2491. Hurry up.
Yes, ma'am. Real-time information, train, timetables, news service, traffic reports or weather.
Okay. So what is a real-time information? अब real-time information में what all things are there? क्या होता है real-time? Let me share the screen. Is the screen visible? So real-time information, this service gives you factual information. क्या देता है आपको? Factual information देता है, real time की जो information होती है. Example, travel timetable, news services, कौन सी फ्लाइट मतलब कब उड़ने वाली है, कौन सी ट्रेन कब डिपार्चर करने वाली है, न्यूज सर्विसेज, ट्रैफिक रिपोर्ट्स, flight status, weather, all these are under categorized under real time information. Got it? So examples यहाँ पे ट्रेन का टाइम टेबल, न्यूज सर्विसेज, ट्रैफिक रिपोर्ट्स एंड वेदर. Then we have commerce. Commerce में क्या होगा? Commerce students, tell me. Mayank, how you will make use of internet in commerce? बताओ. 3318 commerce. Hurry up. Mayank Rana 3318. Dera सुनाई. दिया. श्वेता 1950. कहाँ पे यूज करोगे आप इन कॉमर्स द ऑनलाइन सर्विसेज? किस काम के लिए यूज करते हो? यस एनीवन? सो इंटेलिजेंट राइट? कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट.
मैम शॉपिंग एंड बैंकिंग.
राइट, शॉपिंग हो गया, बैंकिंग हो गया, ऑप्शंस हो गया. सो देयर यू मेक यूज ऑफ दीज सर्विसेज फॉर कॉमर्स बेसिकली. So commerce is to do with the shopping online. Commerce मतलब online shopping or internet banking. Example, internet banking, eBay, online auction websites are there. Different kinds of websites are there. सभी करते हैं ना online shopping. Don't say no. Everyone is familiar. So online auction websites are there, retail, publishing. So this is how you make use of online services in commerce. Then we have government. Government में आप किस लिए use करते हो? For government, this is an online tax return. Government में क्या है? Tax return. सर कैसे? E-voting, application for services. All these are the example for online services which are provided by the government portal. Welcome to government. यहाँ पे example दिया है portal का. Grant, revenue collection, right? All the details are shown here. Then health services and various other government services are there. Then education we have. Education के लिए कहाँ पे होगा? Education, this is where you can learn online anyway. Education, I don't think there is a need to explain. Why? Because in today's era, everyone is attending the online classes. Everyone is familiar how to make use of online services in education, right? कैसे आप classes लगा रहे हो? Some facilities provided, right? Some portals are there through which classes are attending by the students. For small students, for earlier also you people used to do, right? Classroom Live app is there, then Zoom is there. So education there is where you can learn online anywhere. Online learning is there, trainings are provided, different websites are there, training websites are there, then libraries are there, multiple number of websites, online learning, school websites. So your school provides how many websites for you in terms of education? Classroom Live app, right, which is one of the website, then which is created by Classroom Live developers only. Then only one website till that time you are using. Then online counselings are there. Counseling मतलब counseling क्या होता है? What do you mean by counseling? क्या होता है counseling? Counseling means counseling. बताओ counseling. Written here online counseling, right? Job की registrations होती हैं, right? Admission schools में, everything is online. It can be online anywhere, anything possible. Then business. Business में कैसे use किया जाता है the services? Business, video conferencing, online share trading, entertainment. These services give people what they want to see or listen, entertainment. जो भी आपको चाहिए you can use as per your requirement. पता है ना entertainment में म्यूजिक सुनना है म्यूजिक सुन लो. Netflix, everyone is familiar. Netflix, got it? Most of the entertainment source which will have the subscribers, I should say, right? Netflix, क्या देखते हो Netflix में बताओ? What do you see in the Netflix? Lectures, huh? Physics, chemistry, bio lectures. Tell Mayank, Vikas.
मैम वेब सीरीज देखते हैं, मूवीज देखते हैं।
Harshit is aware about the things. Very good. Harshit को क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं आता हो, but he is very good at one answer, which is out of the world, right? But now he should not be the defaulter. Why? Because this Netflix is there in the topic, so that's why he has answered. So everyone clap for him. Very good.
आप भी देखते हो?
So I cannot say the things here, right? The video lectures are being recorded. Okay. So I don't get time to watch all these things. To be true. Okay. But I have heard this name, Netflix.
स्कूल कब लगेगा मैम?
Okay, Harshit, stop this topic here. So Netflix हो गया, iTunes हो गया, right? Multi-user games हो गया. Got it? Then we have download services are there. Services आप download कर सकते हो, different softwares, anything you want to upgrade कर सकते हो, music, film, all these things. Then web storage, Google Docs, Dropbox, online mapping, route, maps बने होते हैं phones में, right? आपको कहीं जाना है, you turn on the Google map, you search for the area and you are there. Got it? GPS के through. So these were the online services and their examples. It can come in the exam point of view, it's important. Right? Next, we have the advantages. So Harshit, now her paragraph comes for you to read. Hurry up. Advantages and disadvantages of online services. Quick. पढ़ो. Page number 405. Don't have the book?
No ma'am.
Read from here.
Convenience, you shop whenever you want to. Online shop are never closed. You can use any of service at whatever time you desire. Number second, saves time much quicker and less hassle. Greater choices, a large number of options are available, so you can choose the best one. Better prices, you can compare prices between suppliers. Internet office bargains, prices not available elsewhere. No travel cost, traffic jams or car parking space needed. No queuing at checkouts, weather doesn't matter. Convenient delivery, reduced long-term cost. Business do not need to pay for expensive shop premises, running cost, bill, insurance, and sales staff. They may need to employ people to set up and look after the website, but this will normally be cheaper. Wider customer based products can be sold to customer all over the country, world, and not just in area where to shop is based. Added item, customers often impulse buy when online and buy extra items. Online learning reduce travel time and cost for all campus students. Students may have the option to select learning material that meet their level of knowledge and interest.
Ma'am, your mic is off.
So, whatever thing is there, it has its pros and also cons also. Got it? So, online services के फायदे भी हैं, तो उसके नुकसान भी हैं. Got it? First, we'll study what are the advantages. So, advantages from online services: convenience. Convenience, why? Everything you get easily.